Today, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to accept and delete all pending FB friend requests of my Facebook account, in a single click. This technique works even when you have more than 1,000 pending requests on Facebook. The tool I'm going to show in a minute will be a savior for social influencers and all those individuals who have lots of requests pending in their Facebook account, or who have been receiving tons of friend requests on a daily basis. So without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome extension webpage. Step 2. Type add and reject friends in one click over the extension search bar. Step 3. You need to buy, and then install this extension on your Chrome browser. It is very cheap. I already purchased and installed over my Chrome extension toolbar. You can see the icon. Step 4. Log into your Facebook account, and navigate to your Facebook pending requests page. You can see, these are over 40 requests pending on my Facebook. We are going to first accept some friend request and then delete the remaining ones by using the Chrome extension we just installed. Step 6. Click on the Add and Reject Friends in One Click extension icon. Step 7. Click on Accept All Requests button. As soon as you click the button, you will see the remaining request will be accepted automatically. You have control to abort the process, just click on Stop button whenever you want. You can see, everything is happening in real time. Now I am stopping the process. Now just reload the Facebook friend request page. Next, I am going to show you how to delete the remaining friend requests, by using the same Chrome extension. Click on the extension icon again, and now press the Delete All Requests button. You can see, all the remaining friend requests are now deleting one by one. Now just reload the page. You see, all the pending requests are now gone. All credits go to this amazing Chrome extension. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.